unboxing and how to use TaffSTUDIO photography rotating display stand base 13 cm. Let's open this package. There is a USB cable, placemat and one rotary machine. There are 3 buttons to run this tool. On the back there is a battery compartment. This tool can be run using one type of 18650 battery, or 3 AAA batteries, or can even use a USB cable. I will open this battery case. You have to be careful opening it. I recommend using tweezers. The function of this tool is to put display items for photos and videos. Or as a place for product samples in the store. This machine can be strong to lift 2 4 kg objects. This tool will rotate clockwise or vice versa with different speeds.